If you're considering Social Flow for your social media management and analytics needs, there are a few things you should know before making a purchase. In this video, we'll walk through the key aspects of Social Flow, how it compares to other tools in the market, and whether it's the right fit for your business. First off, Social Flow offers a robust platform for scheduling, managing, and analyzing your social media content. But with so many tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social out there, you may be wondering what sets it apart. Next thing, it's important to note that Social Flow is heavily geared towards content optimization based on data. Unlike other tools that offer just basic scheduling and reporting, Social Flow digs deeper into engagement metrics, helping you schedule posts at times when your audience is most active. This data-driven approach can be a huge advantage if you're focused on maximizing engagement. The third thing is that Social Flow integrates seamlessly with Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram, but lacks some of the wider platform support that competitors like Buffer and Sprout Social offer. So, if you're managing more niche social platforms, it might not be the best fit. Next, Social Flow excels at content curation, making it easier for you to discover trends and leverage them in your posts. It stands out here compared to others, as its AI-powered recommendations are tailored to your audience and your brand's tone. The fifth thing you need to know is that it has powerful analytics tools. Social Flow provides in-depth reports, but you should know it can be a bit overwhelming if you're new to social media analytics. While competitors like Hootsuite offer simpler, more digestible reports, Social Flow's depth can either be an advantage or a disadvantage, depending on your needs. The sixth thing is its pricing model. While Social Flow can be a little pricier than some alternatives, you're paying for a more specialized service. If you're just starting out, this might not be the most cost-effective choice. But if you're managing larger accounts and need a tool that delivers on complex analytics and content optimization, it could be worth it. The seventh thing to consider is its automation features. Social Flow provides automation for content scheduling, but it does not offer as many customizable automation options as some of its competitors, like Buffer's more advanced automation tools. The eighth thing is its user interface. Some users report that Social Flow's interface feels a bit dated and can take some time to get used to. This is where tools like Sprout Social have a more modern, user-friendly experience that might appeal to those who value ease of use over deep functionality. The ninth thing is the team collaboration feature. Social Flow allows for collaboration between team members, but it's not as robust as other platforms like Hootsuite, which offers more granular user access controls. The 10th thing is its customer support. Social Flow does offer support, but it's often cited as slower and less responsive than competitors. If responsive support is crucial for you, you might find Hootsuite or Sprout Social's customer service more reliable. Next up, Social Flow's mobile app is somewhat limited in functionality compared to other platforms. For those who need to manage their social media on the go, tools like Buffer or Sprout Social provide more comprehensive mobile experiences. The 12th thing to know is its scalability. Social Flow works best for medium to large businesses with a dedicated social media team. If you're a solo entrepreneur or a small business, you might find other options like Buffer more suited to your needs. In conclusion, Social Flow is a solid choice for businesses looking for in-depth analytics and data-driven content optimization. It's ideal if you need advanced features, especially for larger teams. However, if you're after a simpler, more affordable, or easier-to-use tool, you might want to check out our recommended solution. It's a great alternative that you can try for free.